Hello, welcome to Travel with Suri. Towering at more than 5,700 feet above sea level in Zion National Park, this is one of the most iconic and notorious rock formations in the United States. The trail to the top is daring and heart-pumping challenge, pushing the limit of even the most seasoned hikers. Steep, narrow, with sheer drop-offs on either side. This trail is not for the faint of heart or anyone fearful of heights. For adventure seekers, this is definitely a great hike to put on your bucket list. Welcome to the Angels Landing, Zion National Park, Utah. The Angels Landing Trail is located near the north end of Zion National Park, starting across from the Grotto picnic area. The out and back hike is rated very difficult and has an elevation gain of around 1500 feet. Round trip, the Angels Landing hike is around 5.4 miles and takes about 3 hours to complete. The first 2 miles of the hike is on the West Rim Trail. It is a steady uphill climb on a wide paved trail. There are 2 parts to the Angels Landing hike, before and after Scout Lookout. The first section that climbs from the Virgin River to Scout Lookout is partially paved with sets of steep switchbacks ascending up the canyon wall. After a steady, monotonous uphill slog, the trail enters Refrigerator Canyon, a cool, shady canyon. This is a good place to catch your breath and cool off if you need to. This is the only shady part of the hike. Next up are Walter's Wiggles, a set of 21 switchbacks affectionately named after Walter, Zion's first custodian who helped engineer and build the Angels Landing Trail. You know you are getting close to the top when you start climbing Walter's Wiggles. Now we have reached the Scout Lookout. It is just half a mile from here to the top of Angels Landing. The views from here are magnificent, unimaginable and breathtaking. The chain handholds begin almost immediately as you leave the Scout Lookout. If you are feeling nervous about the trail and uncomfortable as you climb up this first part, you better reconsider hiking to the top of Angels Landing. While climbing the trail to the top, make sure you have a good hiking shoes with excellent traction. It will be really helpful. From Scout Lookout, it is just a 500 feet of climbing to go. Now the real fun begins. The middle section of the spine is where things really get interesting. There is a lot of exposure here. The trail narrows to just a few feet wide with drop-offs on either side. With the help of the chains, you have to scramble up and down sandstone steps and boulders. The Virgin River looks tiny down in the valley below if you dare look down from here. This part of the trail is a blast if you like this kind of thing. Now we have reached the top of Angel's Landing. It's a great achievement. Have your snacks or lunch and enjoy the beautiful 360-degree views of Zion National Park from top of Angel's Landing. It is beautiful and breathtaking up from here. Even though there was beauty all around Zion National Park, my favorite view from top of Angel's Landing was looking back at the ridge I just hiked. Getting a full view of the backbone and how steep the drop-offs were gave me goosebumps all over again. It was magical. So, if you are planning to go to Zion National Park, please make this as a #1 thing to do there. You will definitely enjoy it. I hope you all liked my video. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will meet you guys in my next video.